How to cancel YouTube TV. So first thing you want to do is open up a browser window. You can do this on both desktop and mobile. Go to tv-2025. Once you're here, you're going to want to sign in or log in. And then what you want to do is go to your little profile image in the upper right-hand corner here. Click on that. You want to click on Settings. It's the gear icon here. Then you're going to see a few things here. The one that you want to go to is your membership at the top here, somewhere towards the top. Then there's a blue button that says Manage. Click on Manage. At the bottom here, you see there is a cancel option. Click on the blue cancel button here. Then click on Yes, cancel. That's it. Thanks for watching.